Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to leave Alliance and Lands of Jail. To leave an Alliance and Lands of Jail, start by opening the game and tapping into your current Alliance menu, where all member and Alliance details are displayed. Once inside, look for the Settings or Management section, usually located near the Members tab or Alliance Overview area, since that's where most control options are grouped. Before you proceed, it's worth double checking your decision because leaving means you lose access to Alliance perks like tech bonuses, assistance, and any shared rewards, and getting back in might not be instant if the Alliance is full or invite only. After you're secure, scroll down to the Alliance settings panel until you find the Leave Alliance button, typically placed near the lower section under Ranking or Management options. Tap it and confirm your decision when prompted, and the game will immediately remove you from the Alliance. Once that's done, you'll be fully independent again, which sounds cool until you realize you no longer have backup during events and suddenly miss the group coordination more than expected. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.